Hey everyone, just wanted to highlight some functionality on our EPI-USE Payroll Control Center booster. And so we have built a lot of content from real customer requirements and just want to highlight and showcase one of those. So I'm going to scroll down quite a bit. And what I want to showcase is actually around off cycles. So countries that use it, such as US, what you might want to know is when I'm in my second pay period and I'm getting ready to run this, I'm in a pre-payroll activity. Okay, so who are the people and how much money have we run in off cycles payrolls since the previous period, right? And so you could get this and you'll see, this tile really has great summed up data. For bonuses, we've run $23,717.32. That's also highlighted here. But for me to not only see this information, but then click into it and see, okay, we've run bonus payments for a count of 5 employees, and then boom, even get the list and say, okay, here are the 5 employees. Here's the off-cycle payment date, the type, which we know is the bonus payment, and here are the amounts that reconcile up to that amount. So it just gives you a level of visibility in your regular payroll for the things that have been done off-cycle. So love this functionality. Let me know what you think.